Hi, welcome to...
Today we are going to be making tie-dye.
Oh my god, energy. I'm alive, awake, alert. I'm alive, awake, alert. I'm alive, awake, alert. Enthusiastic.
Hey guys, today we're going to do a tie-dye video with Hannah from the Festive Star Sisters and me, Pops. And we're really hungover.
Yeah,
so,
and we're just, let's cry.
We're going to try
Let's be
hard
emotional.
to be alive.
Oh my god. Hey.
First things is what you need. So we've just got one of these tie-dye kits like this from Argos, and they're like 10 quid. And it comes with everything you need.
Does it come with the shirts?
No, I had to get shirts already. But you can get a shirt that like you have in your wardrobe. Yes. That needs updating. So you're gonna need a tie-dye kit, a white shirt, and a bowl. Oh, that's really heavy. a bowl of water.
It comes with some gloves.
It comes with the dyes. And it comes with the elastic bands, which you're gonna need. So we're gonna do two different types of tie-dye. We're gonna do a spiral and stripes. So we're gonna teach you how to do both of those.
Never done tie-dye.
Hannah's done tie-dye. How have you not done tie-dye?
Well, I have, but like I haven't made cool patterns. I've just been like, put the paint on the shirt and hope it's tie-dyed, you know?
I was arts and crafts counsellor my first summer, so I did a lot of tie-dye. So I'm basically a professional tie-dye.
Yeah, you are.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your shirt, and you're gonna put it in the water, and then you're gonna like wring out the water so it's like damp, not like dripping wet, you know?
Oh, so much muscle required.
Which one do you want to do? Do you want to do spiral or do you want to do...
What's stripes?
So stripes is like stripes. I mean...
it's like striping.
Okay, you're going to do stripes. So fold it over and then fold it over again. Underneath. And then fold it over again, you know? So you're making pleats all the way. So just fold it over, fold it under.
When do you stop?
Pleats till you get to the very top.
What, literally up here?
Yeah. And then we're going to put our gloves on, because if you don't put gloves on, you end up with dye all over your hands, like I now have pink. Oh, we've got 4 gloves in this one, that's nice. So you can do it with a friend if you only get one tie-dye kit. Oh, these are very tight.
These are tiny. It doesn't fit my hands.
These are obviously for children.
Oh my goodness.
So, next thing, get your elastic bands, and you're going to do like 6. The elastic bands that come in these kits aren't great either, so maybe buy some elastic bands. You're going to do like 6 tied. I'm going to start doing my spiral. So you grab it in the middle and just twist it and keep twisting until your shirt's like in a spiral, like that. Spiral, you're going to get elastic bands and you're going to put them in like a star. Like this for the stripes. And your spiral is going to look like this. So once you fill these up, make sure you give them a good shake. Mix up to go.
I'm scared.
Watching dye go on is really therapeutic too. Once you've done one side of your shirt, you're going to flip it over and do the other side of the shirt. So it's then going to end up looking like. So each section of your spiral is a different colour. And it doesn't matter if they like merge together, because it looks kind of cool when it's done.
I'm excited.
You just leave them to dry overnight for like 24 hours. And then you're going to put them in the wash, but make sure you put them separate to any of your clothes. Obviously, if you put them in the wash with your clothes, the dye is going to run into your clothes. And then you dry them, and then they're ready. Ta-da! Thanks for watching that video. Hopefully your tie-dye turned out really cool. And keep subscribing, check out the other camp videos for more information about camp. Bye! Bye!